The virtual clinical trials are part of the Track Your Plaque Collaborative Cures Foundation and a tool for members to voluntarily and collectively track anecdotal data about their health and review results in an organized and consistent manner. They are not intended to be rigorous scientific trials, nor can they be relied upon to make medical decisions. But they do provide another way for members to gain insights on their health and that of the Track Your Plaque community. The trials can be accessed from the main navigation panel by clicking Virtual Clinical Trials under the Tracking Tools tab. The main page displays a table of currently open trials. For each trial listed, the table shows your enrollment status, the trial title and short description, the trial category, and the trial functions available to you. The number of trials displayed on a single page can be selected. If more trials exist than can fit on a single page, a list of page numbers will appear beneath the list. Click these page numbers to display any additional pages. The trial list can be sorted by clicking on the column headers. Click to sort on your enrollment status, the trial name, or the trial category. To review information about a trial either before or during participation, click the Info button. The Trial Overview and Purpose section will provide additional details, such as the trial start and end dates for accepting new applicants, the suggested length of participation, and the frequency at which participants are allowed to enter new trial test information, as well as how-to instructions for participating. Any additional questions can be answered by posting in the virtual clinical trial forum. Although you cannot access the entries of other members, you may review certain trial aggregate statistics about the data. The info page also has a statistics section. It displays the average reported value of all participants for trial parameters that are numeric. For text responses, a second table shows all the answers given. The numbers in square brackets detail how often that response was given. Additionally, the total number of trial participants is displayed. To enroll in a trial, click the Enroll button to the right of the selected trial. Clicking the OK button on the pop-up screen verifies that you've discussed your participation with your doctor and have received medical clearance to participate in the trial. Your successful enrollment will be indicated beneath the trial table. To enter data, click the Add Data button to display the data entry page. The entry date is automatically entered with the current date but may be changed. Enter numeric data and text data, or select entries from the drop-down lists or numeric scales as is appropriate. Click the Save button after making your entries. You will be prompted if a mandatory entry was missed or if an entry was outside the allowable range. You will also be notified if your data was successfully entered. You may review all of your trial data by clicking the Review My Trial Data button on either the Trial Info or Add Data pages. The table of displayed responses may be sorted by date, trial parameter, parameter description, or value entered. You may also delete any selected response by clicking the Delete link to the right of the question. When finished, simply click the Return to Trial List button. Finally, you may unenroll in any trial at any time by simply clicking the Unenroll button. That concludes our short tour of the virtual clinical trials.